If you want to unlink your Spotify account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your Spotify account independently. Step 1. Open Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to unlink from Facebook. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the app, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner for settings. If you are using the web version, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Social Settings. Scroll down to the Social section in the Settings menu. This section contains options related to your social media connections, including Facebook. Step 4. Disconnect from Facebook. Look for the option that says Disconnect from Facebook or similar wording. Click on this option to initiate the unlinking process. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disconnecting, you may receive a confirmation message. Ensure that your Spotify account is no longer linked to Facebook by checking the social settings again. By following these steps, you will successfully unlink your Spotify account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Spotify support.